Hello students, welcome to TP Chennai. Previously we have discussed squares, so up to 110 squares we have learnt without putting pen on paper. Even by looking at that square, when I ask the square, you are in a position to tell the answers immediately, spontaneously. That is how we learned squares. Same like that, today we are going to learn cubes. That too 1 to 20, that is more than sufficient as far as competitive exams are concerned, and 1 to 20 and also 25 and 26 I have just added 2 more. Why? Because it's been very important as far as simple interest and compound interest problems are concerned. Square roots and cube roots you can solve in 10 to 15 seconds time. It won't take more than that one. So we will learn square roots and also cube roots in this session itself. So how to remember cubes 1 to 20. So 1 to 10, of course you need to remember as it is, and 11 to 20 I will give some tips so that we can easily memorize, so that as and when we are asking about say cubes among 1 to 20, we can easily tell the answer. First 1 to 5, I don't think so you need any explanation or any shortcut. We can easily remember, even up to 10 also. Anyhow, we will see. So 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube is nothing but 64, which is also 8 square, right? So 4 cube is 64 or 8 square, that is 64. 5 cube is 125, 6 cube 216, 7 cube 343. So how to remember 343? Either side 3 will be there, in between 4 is there. So 343 easily we can remember. And 9 cube, very easy. Even in squares also I told 27 square. What is 27 square? 729, which is also 9 cube. So if you remember 27 square, we can easily remember 9 cube. So this is nothing but a 27 square. We can easily remember 9 cube. And now coming to 8 and 18 cube, 8 cube and 18 cube, both are starting with the 5, like that you can remember. So 8 and 18 cube starts with the 5. 8 cube is 5 and 2, just remember as it is. 8 cube is 5 and 2. 18 cube, so 5, it starts with the 5. 18, 8 is there now, 8 also comes here. So 8 also comes as the next letter. So 5, 8, 8 fours are how much? 32. So 32, 5, 8, 3, 2, like that we can easily remember. 18 cube as 58, 32 or 5832, whichever the way you feel comfortable, we can go ahead. So 18 cube starts with a 5. For 8, 8 is there, 8 fours are 32, 5832, 58, 32. Now coming to 19 cube, just remember first 2 digits of 18 cube. Now what is first 2 digits of 18 cube? 58. For 58, add 10 for that one. How much if you add 10? It will be 68, right? For next 2 digits, add 1 for 58. How much it will be? 59. So for 19 cube, you need to just remember 58. So for 58, we need to add 10 for that one. How much it will be? 68. For 58, add 1 for the next 2 digits of 19 cube. So it will be how much? 59. So 6859 is the answer. 19 cube is 6859. Hope it is clear. Now we will go ahead with the 17 cube. 17 cube is very easy. Take 7 square. What is 7 square? 49. 7 square is 49. What is 4 plus 9? 13. Next 2 digits will be 13. That's it. Very easy to remember. 17 cube. So take first say 7 square. What is 7 square? 49. Add 4 plus 9. How much? 13. 4913 for 17 cube. Now we will come from 11 cube onwards. So 11 cube and 12 cube. Just remember 11 cube and 12 cube. In 11 cube and 12 cube, in 11 cube 11 must be there, in 12 cube 12 must be there. Always remember, in 11 cube 11 must be there, in 12 cube 12 must be there. So 11 cube, this 11, 1 and 1 as first and last digits. So this 11, 1 and 1 as first and last digits. In between 2 3s will be there. That's it. Simply you can remember as 1331. In 12 cube also 12 must be there. In 12 cube also 12 must be there. But as 1 and 3rd digits, 1 and 3rd digits. So 2 and 4 digits as 7 and 8. Just remember as 7 and 8. So we can easily remember 12 cube and 11 cube. So in 11 and 12 cube, in 11 cube 11 must be there. In 12 cube 12 must be there. In 11 cube, that 11 as first and last digits. So 1 and 1 first and last digits. In between 2 3s will be there as 1331. In 12 cube 12 must be there as 1 and 3rd digits. 1 and 3rd digits. So 2 and 4th digits are 7 and 8. So 1 7 2 8. The most typical one. So we don't have any logic. Anyhow, I will try to tell you so that see that whether you can easily remember for 13 cube. Now 13 cube. 13 cube, 3 cube means how much? 27. Last digit will be 7. Last, whenever 3 cube is there, last digit will be 7. So 7 into 3, how much? 21 as the first 2 digits. 7 into 3, 21 as the first 2 digits. Here 3 3s are how much? 9. Don't take it as 3 cube. So just take it as 3 3s are. So 2197 is the answer. Typical one. Just remember, try to memorize. And 14 cube. 14 cube starts with 3 cube. Now what is 3 cube? 14 cube starts with a 3 cube as first 2 digits. That is nothing but 27. 14 cube, 4 is there now. You need to put 2 4s as the last 2 digits. You need to put 2 4s as the last 2 digits. So we can easily remember 14 cube. So first 14 cube starts with a 3 cube. So that is 27 as first 2 digits. Next 2 digits in 14 cube 4 is there. You need to keep 2 times that 4. So 2744. 14 cube is 2744. 15 and 16. 15 cube and 16 cube. You need to remember tables. So tables up to 20 is very important. In my previous sessions also I told it must be in your fingertips always. So how you can remember? 15 5s are how much? Now what is 15 5s are? 75, right? So 15 5s are 75 as last 2 digits. Just remember 15 cube and 16 cube. 15 cube last 2 digits will be 15 5s are 75. 16 cube last 2 digits will be 16 into 6. 16 6 are how much? 96. So last 2 digits are confirmed. So once whenever they are asking about 15 cube and 16 cube, remember 15 5s are 75 as last 2 digits. 16 cube, 16 6s are 96 as last 2 digits. And 15 cube starts with a 33. Remember it. Just remember it. 15 cube starts with a 33. 16 cube starts with a 40. 16 cube starts with 40. So 15 cube is starts with a 33. 15 5s are 75. 16 cube starts with 40. 16 6s are 96. That's it. Almost 20 up to 20 it's over, I think. Of course 20 cube, 2 cube is 8 and 3 zeros, 8000, right? So 25 and 26 cube left over. Very easy to remember. In 25 cube last 3 digits are 25 square. Last 3 digits nothing but it is 25 square. 25 cube last 3 digits 625, it is nothing but a 25 square. So previously we need to keep a 15. Just add 15 and 25 square, 625. So 25 cube is easily you can remember last 3 digits as 25 square, that is 625. In before that one we need to put 15. So 15 625. In 26 cube also last 3 digits it is not 26 square ma. So it is 24 square. So just to keep in mind, remember in 26 cube it's not 26 square, it is 24 square as last 3 digits. It's a 576. Before that one we need to add 17. We need to keep 17. So 17 576. In 25 cube how much? Last 3 digits 25 square only, that is 625. Before that one how much we need to keep? 15. So 15 625 and 26 cube 17 576. So it will be 24 square instead of 26 square as last 3 digits for 26 cube. That's it. So hope you are clear with the cubes. So we'll just rewind. So what is 1 cube? 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 8 square 64, right? 4 cube is 64 and 5 cube 125, 6 cube 216, remember 6 cube 216, 7 cube either side 3, in between 4 3 4 3, 8 cube 512, 8 and 18 cube starts with a 5 only, 8 cube is 512 and 9 cube is nothing but a 27 square. How much it is? 729. So 9 cube is 729 and 10 cube is 1000. 11 and 12 cubes. So always remember in 11 and 12 cubes, 11 must be there in 11 cube, 12 must be there as in 12 cube. In 11 cube, so this 11 must be as first and last digits. So 2 ones will be first and last digits. In between 2 3s are there. So 1331. 11 cube is 1331. 12 cube is 1 and 2 will be first and third digits. In 12 cube, 12 must be there as 1 and third digits. So 1 and 2 will be first and third digits. 2 and fourth digits will be 7 and 8. So 1728. So 12 cube is 1728. 13 cube, last digit is 7, a typical one. I told you to remember 7. 7 threes are 21 and 3 threes are 9, right? So 2197. 2197. In 14 cube starts with 3 cube, that is 27, and last two digits are 2 fours. In 14, 4 is there, so it comes as the last two digits. So 2744. 14 cube, 2744. 15 cube and 16 cube. I told you to remember tables. 15 for 15 cube, 15 fives are how much? 75 as the last two digits. 16 cube, how much? 16 6 are 96 as last two digits. 15 cube starts with the 33, so 3375 is the answer for 15 cube. 16 cube, so starts with a 40 and 16 6 are 96. 40 96 is the answer for 16 cube. What is 17 cube, mom? What is 17 cube? 7 square. Remember 7 square 49 and 4 plus 9 how much? 13. 4913. So 17 square 4913. 18 cube 5 for 8. 8 will be there. 8 fours are 32. 58 32. So right, 58 32 for 18 cube. What is 19 cube? You need to remember first two digits of 18 cube, that is 58. Add 10 for 58 and add 1 for 58 as last two digits. Add 10 for 58 as first two digits of 19 cube. How much it will be? 58 plus 10 68. 58 plus 1 59. 6859 for 19 cube. 17 cube 4913. 18 cube how much? 5832. 19 cube 6859 and 20 cube 8000. In 25 cube, so last three digits will be 25 square, that is 625. First two digits will be 15. 15 625 and 26 cube. Last three digits will be, it's not 26 square, it is 24 square, that is 576. First two digits will be 17. 17 576. So 25 cube 15 625. 26 cube 17 576. Hope you are clear. We will just repeat again. 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64 or 8 square, 5 cube 125, 6 cube 216, 7 cube 343, 8 cube 512, 9 cube 729, 10 cube 1000, 11 cube 1331, 12 cube 1728, 13 cube 2197, 14 cube 2744, 15 cube 3375, 16 cube 4096, 17 cube 4913, 18 cube 5832, 19 cube 6859, 20 cube 8000, 25 cube 15 625, 26 cube 17 576. That's it. Hope you are very clear. So how to learn the cubes? It won't take maximum 20 minutes to half an hour, and daily if you repeat or you just recollect for 2 to 3 minutes, or if you invest your time for 2 to 3 minutes a day, so within 1 week to 10 days time, or maximum within 15 days, you will never forget cubes up to 20 and also 25 and 26. Clear? And cube roots without going ahead with a mathematical approach. So we will try to find out through shortcuts. I told you square roots and the cube roots we are going to find out. So I already told you it won't take maximum 10 to 15 seconds. So initially you may be taking time, but once you understand the concept and learn the process how to solve, easily we can do within 10 to 15 seconds time. So we will see first square root then cube root. And before that one, I just would like to remind you, just check last digits of cubes 1 to 10 and also 11 to 20. If you remember in squares, I clearly told you the numbers 0 1 4 5 6 9. The numbers ending with 0 1 4 5 6 9, it may have a perfect square. Whenever the numbers ending with 2 3 7 8 will never have a perfect square, right? This is what I told in squares. So any square values if you take, so it won't be ending with 2 3 7 8. So whenever a number is ending with 2 3 7 8, it will never have a perfect square. It is not at all a perfect square. The numbers ending with 0 1 4 5 6 9, it may have a perfect square, not 100%. So that we have in detail discussed while going ahead with squares. So you can go through those classes again. So why these two are very very important means because while finding out square roots or cube roots, these values are very very important. Always remember, the numbers ending with a 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 may have a perfect square, but the numbers ending with a 2, 3, 7, 8 will never have a perfect square. These two remember, and these values are important in cubes also. Why? Because so in squares the numbers won't be ending with a 2, 3, 7, 8, right? So but check here in cubes 1 to 10 and 11 to 20, what are all the last digits, mom? So that we can tell that it's not a perfect cube like that. Can we tell? So you do check all last digits, what are all the numbers are not there, or what are all the digits are not there. 0 is there, 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All digits are there. 0 to 9 all digits are there, but as far as squares are concerned, so you can't find the numbers ending with a 2, 3, 7, 8. So it will be only 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 only. But as far as cubes are concerned, we do have all digits as last digits starting from 0 to 9. Even here also you can check, same only will be there. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is the shortcut behind that one? How to find out the square root and cube roots based on these values means, now observe. So whenever a number is there, so in order to find out the cube roots, if a number is ending with a 0, cube root will also be ending with a 0, right? So whenever a number is ending with a 0, cube root also will be ending with a 0. Whenever a number is ending with a 9, so 6859 cube root of, so what is the answer means 19, you are going to tell. The number also ending with a 9. But when a number is ending with a 2, cube root will be ending with 8. But whenever a number is ending with a 3, cube root will be ending with 7. But can we just write it down? So how it comes? Now see that first, if a number is ending with a 0, cube root also ending with a 0. A number is ending with a 1, cube root also ending with a 1. If a number is ending with a 2, where ma? Here, right? The cube root will be ending with 8. If a number is ending with a 3, where is 3? Here. So cube root will be ending with 7. If a number is ending with 4, cube root will be ending with 4. If a number is ending with 5, cube root will be ending with 5. If a number is ending with 6, cube root also ending with 6. If a number is ending with 7, where is 7? Cube root will be ending with 3. If a number is ending with 8, where is 8? Right. So cube root will be ending with 2. If a number is ending with 8, cube root will be ending with 2. If a number is ending with 9, cube root also ending with 9. So 9, 9. Now if you see this one, now if you see this one, 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. Whenever a number is ending with a 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, it may have a perfect square. That's what we told as far as squares are concerned. As far as finding out cube roots, always remember, whenever a number is ending with a 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, cube root will also be ending with a 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. So it's very easy to remember. Are you getting? Whenever a number is ending with a 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, cube root also will be ending with a 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. Whenever a number is ending with a 2, cube root will be ending with 8. Whenever a number is ending with 8, cube root will be 2. For 3, it will be 7. For 7, whenever number is ending with 7, cube root will be ending with 3. That's it, as simple as it is. So we can easily remember cube roots while comparing with even square roots also. So whenever a number is ending with a 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, cube root also will be ending with a 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. So number is ending with a 2, cube root will be ending with 8. If it is 8, it will be ending with a 2. Same like that, a number is ending with a 7, cube root will be ending with a 3. If it is ending with a 3, it will be 7. So 2, 3, 7, 8, how we are relating to cube roots. So that is why I told these two values always keep in mind. In cube roots, whenever a number is ending with a 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, cube root also will be ending with a 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 only. If it is ending with a 2, cube root will be ending with 8. If it is ending with the 8 number, cube root will be ending with a 2. Same like that, whenever a number is ending with a 7, cube root will be ending with a 3. Whenever a number is ending with a 3, cube root will be ending with a 7. Hope you are clear. Now we will see how to find out square roots and cube roots as I told you within 10 to 15 seconds time in detail. Clear? So we will see each one by one now. Now, we'll see how easily we can find out square roots. I have mentioned almost 12 square roots here. We need to find out. So what is the value of square root? So see that first one. So both are ending with 6 here, both are ending with 1, both are ending with 4, both are ending with 5, and here ending with 9, or ending with 1 and 0 and also 8. So if you remember the rule in squares, the numbers ending with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 may have a perfect square. So not a definite, that one you need to remember always. But the numbers ending with 2, 3, 7, 8 will never have a perfect square, right? Now come to first one, root of 1936. My number is ending with 6. Which two squares ends with 6, ma? Which two squares ends with 6? 4 square and also 6 square, right? So now last digit will be either 4 or 6. Last digit will be either 4 or 6. So once you see square root, see that it is ending with which digit. So accordingly we need to put the answer. So see that last digit must be either 4 or 6. If it is not in the options, directly go ahead with none of these. No need to even find out. Right? So if it is not there in the options, either 4 or 6, the number is not ending with 4 or 6, go ahead with none of this. Next one, put a dot after 2 digits. It's a square now. You need to put a dot after 2 digits coming from back to front. So take first 2 digits of, so whichever is left over. So here only 2 digits are left over, that is 19. Now our focus should be on 19. Now 19 is between which two squares? What is 4 square? 16, and 5 square is 25. So 19 is lying between 4 square and 5 square. Between 4 and 5 squares. What is the meaning of that one? You know, what is the meaning of that one? So the meaning of that one is, for entire this number, square root of 1936 is lying between 40 and 50. That's it. The meaning of that one will be, the square root will be lying between 40 and 50. Square root will be lying between 40 and 50. We do know that last digits. So what are all the last digits? Either it can be ending with 4 or 6. Between 40 and 50, which two numbers are ending with 4 and 6? It's nothing but 44 and 46. 44 and 46, right? So now we need to choose which is the right answer, either 44 or 46. We do have 2 ways of answering. So we will learn the base one, so that itself will be easy. Other say one also easy. We will see that one. Every time we may not apply this one, say other one. But the base one, it is very much useful for you. Now see that which one we need to consider, either 44 or 46. So 19 is lying between 4 and 5 squares. So it is nothing but the meaning is square root will be between 40 and 50. Now take the value of 4 square. Now what is the value of 4 square? 16. What is the value of 5 square? 25. Value of 4 square is 16. Value of 5 square is 25. So take now, after putting a dot, what is left over? 19. This 19 is nearby whether 16 or 25. You just check it whether this 19 is nearby 16 or whether this 19 is nearby 25. It is nearby 16 only. Nearby 16 only means it is nearby 40. Nearby 40 means it is 44. If it is nearby 25 means it should be nearby 50. We need to go ahead with the 46. Since it is nearby 16, nearby 40, answer is 44. I told you other method also, right? Other method is nothing but, I hope you remember 45 square. What is 45 square? Ending with 5 square. 5 squares are 25. First digit what is there? 4 has to be multiplied with the next immediate higher digit. So 4 5s are 20. 20, 25. 45 square is 20, 25. The value is less than 20, 25. So it won't be 45. So it must be less than 45. What is less than 45? 44. It cannot be 46, right? So that is the reason. Just remember in between what is 45 square? What is 45 square? 5 square is 25, 4 5s are 20, 20, 25. So it must be less than 20, 25. It must be 44 only. That's it. This is how we need to find out. Initially, while explaining, you may think that it takes time, but once you practice it, you can make miracles. You can solve these type of problems within 10 to 15 seconds. Now see that next one, 3136. Ending with 6, 4 or 6. Put a dot after 2 digits. We need to consider 31. 31 is lying between which two squares? Again 5 square or 6 square. What does that mean? The meaning of that one is a square root will be lying between 50 and 60. So here, what is the answer? Either it can be 54 or it can be 56. 54 or 56. I always consider the first two digit values. What is that one? 31. Now 5 square. How much? Value of 5 square is 25. Value of 6 square is 36. This 31 is nearby 25, or this 31 is nearby 36. Now 31 is nearby not 25, because so now 25. How much is the difference? 35 and 25 and 31, 6. And 36 and 31. How much is the difference? 5. So it is nearby 36 or nearby 25 more. So nearby 36. Nearby 36 means it must be nearby 60. Which is nearby 60? 56. 56 is the answer. Are you getting my point? Put a dot after two digits, and 31, and 31 is lying between 5 and 6 squares, 5 square and 6 square. The meaning of that one is square root will be lying between 50 and 60, and 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36. You compare first two digits with the 25 and 36. The value is nearby 25 or nearby 36. If you see this one, here the difference is 6, here the difference is 5. So it is nearby 60. Value should be, square root will be nearby 60. Nearby 60 is 56. And the other method is take middle digit. What is that one? 5. So this is applicable only whenever you are getting between 54 and 56, or 4 and 6 values you are getting. You need to check with the 5, not for others. Others also you can check it, no issues. So see that whether it is above or below, like that. But the best suggestion will be go ahead like this, not with the 5. Every time we cannot even, so easily say 65 square, 75 square you can find out. If it is more than that one, it takes time also. So better you go ahead with this method only. Now see that 55 square. What is 55 square? 5 5s are 25, and 5 after 6, 5 6 are 30. 30 25. 30 25. It is more than that one. So definitely it should be more than 55 square and 56. If you remember, I told you as a fancy number 56 square. In squares while learning, I told you as a 31 36. If you remember 31 36 directly, you can go ahead with the 56. No need to do all this nuisance and all. Definitely I need to say nuisance, because once you know the answer, definitely it looks like a nuisance only. So if you do not know the answer, then only we invest much time, and we will so work it out. Otherwise, once you know that one, so it will be very easy one. So next one, 5041 and 7921. My ending with 1, which what are all the squares ends with 1. 1 square ends with 1, 9 square ends with 1. So 1 and 9. So last digit will be 1 or 9. Here also I am directly putting 1 or 9. So put a dot after two digits. Put a dot after two digits. What is left over here? 50. But 50 is lying between which two squares, ma? 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64. So what does that mean? The square root will be lying between 70 and 80, ending with 1 and 9. That is nothing but 71 and 79. So what is 77 square? 49. What is 8 square? 64. Now the first two digits, 50 is nearby 49 or nearby 64, ma? Nearby 49. That means value will be nearby 70, which is nearby 70, 71. So 71 is the answer. That's it. Coming to here, again 1 or 9, 79. 79 is lying between which two squares? 8 square and 9 square. So the square root will be lying between 80 and 90. So what is 80 and 90 means here 81 or 89. So what is the 8 square? 64. What is 9 square? 81. Now see that value, first two digits 79 is nearby 64 or nearby 81. It is very nearby 81. That means square root will be nearby 90. Which is nearby 90, ma? 89. That's it. So if you practice well, it won't take 10 to 15 seconds maximum. Now come to 84, root of 8464 and 7744. So ending with the 4, last two digits will be 2 square ends with the 4, 8 square ends with the 4. So last two digits will be either 2 or 8. Either 2 or 8. So 2 or 8 are not there in the options, or directly go ahead with none of this. So in the exam, directly go ahead with none of this. Now put a dot after two digits. Put a dot after two digits. Here 84 is there, here 77 is there. 84 is lying between which two squares? 9 square and 10 square. That means a square root will be lying between 90 and 100. So that is meaning of that one is the square root will be either 92 or either 98. So what is 9 square? 81. What is 10 square? 100. So 84 is nearby 81. That means 84 is nearby 90. Answer is 92. Answer is 92. If you remember 91 to 100 squares, even without putting pen on paper, by looking at that, you can easily tell the answer if you remember the rule, right? So now go ahead with the next one, 7744 or 7744. Last, say I put a dot after 2 digits, 77. 77 is lying between which two squares now? Again 8 square and 9 square. That means the square root will be lying between 80 and 90. So square root will be either 82 or 88. What is 8 square? 64. What is 9 square? 81. 77 is nearby 81 or 77 is nearby 64. It is nearby 81. Just 4 is the difference. So it will be nearby value 90. Which is nearby 90? 88. 88 is the answer. Are you getting clear? So now we'll go ahead with next one, 5. Ending with 5, only one number will be ending with 5. So whichever the square ends with a 5, that only will be having square root will be ending with a 5. So 5 only. We won't be getting 2 answers here like previous ones. Put a dot after 2 digits, 600. 600 lying between which two squares? What is 25 square? 625. What is 24 square? 576. So it is 24 square and 25 square. That means the value will be, square root will be between 240 and 250. Between 240 and 250 ending with a 5. What is the value? 245 only. None other than 245 only. That's it. I hope you can easily solve the problem without putting pen on paper. So ending with a 5 means 5. Put a dot after 2 digits means how much will be left over? 182. So 182 is lying between which two squares? What is 13 square? 169. What is 14 square? 196. So it is lying between 130 and 140 and ending with a 5. So what is the answer? 135. So 135 is the answer. Directly we can put the answer. See that without putting pen on paper, we solve that one. So next one, 3481. So 1 and 9 ends with 1. Can you tell me without putting pen on paper what is the answer? So 1 and 9, last digits will be 1 and 9. We need to check in the options. Next, put a dot after 2 digits. So what is left over? 34. 34 is lying between which two squares? 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, right? So 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36. That means the value will be lying between 50 and 60. Square root will be lying between 50 and 60. Ending with 1 means 51 or 59. 51 or 59. See that 34. 34 is nearby 25 or 34 is nearby 36. 34 is nearby 36. Nearby 60. Nearby 60, which is the value ending with 1 means 59. That's it. Answer is 59. So initially how much time it is taking, now how much time it is taking. That's what I am saying. So if you remember the rules and if you remember the logic behind that one, it can be solved in 10 to 15 seconds time. Okay. So coming to next one, it's a big one, right? 49729. Ending with a 9. Which are all squares ends with a 9? 3 square and 7 square. 3 square and 7 square. This is also without putting pen on paper we can solve it, but since it's a bigger number you should not feel confused. That is the reason I am just mentioning. So 3 or 7, just go ahead. 497. 497 is lying between which two squares? 22 square, how much? 484. And 23 square is 529. The number will be lying between 220 and 230. 220 and 230. So 223 or it can be 227. 227. What is the value of 22 square? 484. What is the value of 23 square? 529. Now see that this 497 is nearby 484 or nearby 529. Now 529 means above 500 another 29 is there and before 500 3 is there. But here the difference is only 13. So it is nearby 484. Nearby 484 means nearby 220. Nearby 220 means what is the value? 223. That's it. 223 is the answer. So coming to next one, 0. Same like ending with a 5 in squares, ending with a 0, only one value will be there. So that is the reason last digit will be 0. Put a dot after 2 digits. 676 square root of 676. Which square is 676? 26 square. That's it. Simple. 260 is the answer. 260 is the answer. The last one, 5928. Whenever you see the number 8 in the last digit, simply say that it's not a perfect square. The numbers ending with a 2, 3, 7, 8 will never have a perfect square. By looking at that itself, you can tell directly it's not a perfect square. But you may be getting a doubt. Sir, what if they are asking about what is the approximate value of? What is the approximate value of? Of course, we need to find the answer then. Now, see that 8, last digit. So, 2, 3, 7, 8. Numbers ending with the 2, 3, 7, 8 will never have a perfect square, right? What is the previous digit? 7. That is also not having a perfect square. So, we won't take 7. Instead of that one, what is the next digit of 8? 9. So, we consider 9 here. So, we consider 9 and do the normal process. So, 9 ending with a 9 means 3 square or 7 square. So last two digits will be 3 or 7. Put a dot after 2 digits. What is the leftover? 59. 59 is lying between which two squares? 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64. Meaning of this one is nothing but the square root will be between 70 and 80 or 73 or 77. So it is nothing but a 73 or 77. Now take the value of 7 square. How much? 49. 8 square is 64. This 59 is nearby 49 or nearby 64. Why it is nearby 64 only. So what is the approximate value of 5929? We can go ahead with the 77. This is how we can easily find out square roots. I hope you are very clear and how easily we find out square roots and all. We are going ahead with cube roots. There also you feel more comfortable and more easy. Many shortcuts are there. How easily we can find out cube roots, we will look into that one. Here you should get some doubts. I need to see that one whether you are getting a doubt or not. So I have explained in shortcut manner, and definitely if you observe, so you should get a doubt. That definitely I will explain in the comment section. Okay, now we will go ahead with the cube roots. Now we will see cube roots. Previously we learnt square roots, how easily we solve those problems and all. Now we will go ahead with the cube roots, and while learning cubes I told you say to remember the values. Whenever the numbers are ending with a 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, cube roots also will be ending with a 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 only. Whenever a number is ending with a 2, cube root will be ending with the 8. If it is 8, cube root will be ending with a 2. The same like that, whenever a number is ending with a 3, cube root will be ending with 7. Whenever a number is ending with a 7, cube root will be ending with a 3. Right? If you remember this one, almost you are through in finding out cube roots. See that values I have given. Cube root of 1, 3, 8, 2, 4. The number is ending with a 4. Cube root also will be ending with 4 only. Just put a 4. So we won't be having two values, unlike in square roots. Here you will be getting only one value. So unique answer only you will be getting. Now put a dot after 3 digits. In square roots what we did, we put a dot after 2 digits. In cube roots we put a dot after 3 digits. So put a dot after 3 digits. Take 13. 13 is lying between which two cubes? 13 is lying between which two cubes? 2 cube and 3 cube. So 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. The meaning of that one is cube root is lying between 20 and 30. Cube root is lying between 20 and 30. In addition to that one, the number must be ending with a 4. Between 20 and 30, which number is ending with a 4? Nothing, none other than 24 only. So cube root is nothing but a 24. Answer is 24. That's it. As simple as it is. While comparing with squares, say square roots, cube roots are very easy. See that next one ending with a 3. You must be careful. You must remember in cubes, whenever a number is numbers are ending with a 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, cube root also will be ending with a 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 respectively. But whenever his number is ending with a 2, cube root will be ending with 8. Whenever a number is ending with 8, cube root will be ending with 2. Same like that, whenever a number is ending with 7, cube root will be ending with 3. And whenever a number is ending with 3, cube root will be ending with 7. So if you remember this one, 3, cube root will be ending with 7. Put a dot after 3 digits, 50. So you see that one, 50 is lying between which two cubes? 3 cube and 4 cube. 3 cube and 4 cube. What does that mean? Cube root is lying between 30 and 40. So cube root is between 30 and 40, and a number is ending with 7. It is none other than 37. None other than 37. Now come here, 681472. My ending with a 2. Ending with a 2 means cube root will be ending with 8. Right? For 2 it is 8. For 8 it is 2. For 3 it is 7. For 7 it is 3. For all others 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, cube root will be ending with the same 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 respectively. So 8. Put a dot after 3 digits. So now we need to go ahead with the 681. 681 is lying between which two cubes, mom? 8 cube and 9 cube. 8 cube and 9 cube. The meaning of that one is cube root must be between 80 and 90, ending with the 8. It is nothing but 88. It is nothing but 88. Come to 117649. So 9, it must be 9 only. Put a dot after 3 digits. So we are left with the 117. 117 is lying between which two cubes? It is nothing but 4 and 5. So it is 4 cube and 5 cube. That means cube root will be between 40 and 50. 40 and 50, the number is ending with a 9. It is none other than 49. None other than 49. Coming to here, put a dot after 3 digits, ending with 1, 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. So same digits only for cube roots. So 1, 357. 357 is lying between which two cubes? 7 and 8, right? So 7 cube and 8 cube. The meaning of that one is cube root will be between 70 and 80. 70 and 80 ending with 1. It is none other than 71. 71. 643 4856 ending with 6. 6 only. Put a dot after 3 digits. 6434. 6434 is lying between which two cubes? 6434 is lying between 18 and 19 cube. So 6434 is lying between 18 cube and 19 cube. So the number must be between 180 and 190. So it is nothing but 186. So 186 is the answer. Now ending with the 8. Ending with the 8. So what is the answer? Cube root must be ending with 2. So put a dot after 3 digits. So 551. So where is 551? Is lying between which two cubes, mom? 8 cube and 9 cube. So 551 is lying between 8 cube and 9 cube. It is nothing but between 80 and 90. So it must be ending with a 2. It is none other than 82. So 82 is the answer. Next one, cube root of 250047 ending with a 7. Cube root must be ending with 3. Put a dot after 3 digits. So 250. 250 is lying between which two cubes? 250 is lying between which two cubes? 6 and 7. So 250 is lying between 6 and 7. The cube root must be between 60 and 70. Ending with a 3, it is none other than 63. None other than 63. My next one, if you see the next one, 91125. Ending with a 5, 5 only. Put a dot after 3 digits. 91. 91 is lying between which two cubes, 4 and 5. That is nothing but 4 cube and 5 cube, 40 and 50. Between 40 and 50, it is none other than 45. So go ahead with that. The last one here, 0. As usual, 0. Put a dot after 3 digits. 2197. Hope you remember. Typical one, 13, right? So 13 cube, it is nothing but 130. I hope you are clear with square roots, cube roots, and also cubes. And also in my previous sessions, I have taken squares up to 1 to 40 separate session, 41 to 60 separate session, and also 91 to 110 separate session. And these are all very, very important in examination point of view. All basics chapters other than this one also we have, as I have taken, go through those sessions and all. So definitely you can gain extra 10 to 15 marks in any pattern of examination if you are clear with basics. So hope so you won't leave these important chapters, go through again and again repeatedly till you get the job. Till you get the job, you should not leave. And most important thing is tables. Learn tables up to 20. It must be in your fingertips. So wish you all the best. We will see in the next session.